I wanted to hop on here and talk about how it's really important to not discredit small wins. So I recently went to trading live the past couple of months after trading prop firms for, a couple years now. And I'm not going to stop trading prop firms. I'm just going to start trading live capital alongside them. But my perception of money, I feel like, became very skewed. Trading simulated accounts, thousands of dollars at a time, 50K accounts, 100K accounts, 200K accounts. When I came to my live account, I don't know why I felt so embarrassed to post about it, not want to share it, because these small gains are important to me. I'm using a strategy that can be also used sizing up. So if I continue to see success with these small numbers, then over time, I'm going to be able to switch to more than 0.1 lots. I'm going to be trading zero point 0.1 lots, 1 lots, and it's all process. So I just wanted to share that openly. It's something that I was struggling with. Another thing is this month, I've taken very few trades. I've been way more selective because I'm trading live capital. I've also been really busy, but it's just been interesting to kind of look at. I mean, last month, where's the dashboard? Normally, I'm trading way more often. This is a lot more often. This is November, a lot more often. October. Look at this. And now that I'm live, I just hit the brakes. And that's fine for now. I'm gaining this confidence, but I wanted to just share that, point that out. It's nothing for me to be embarrassed about. I'm actually not embarrassed by it. I'm feeling like extra happy because this is my own capital. I'm finding people that are, leaving me really nice comments and reaching out to me. And I know this is baby steps, and I protected my capital this month. I'm not blowing accounts. I kind of flipped it where I was like always focused on the prop account and then would kind of trade the live. But now what I've shifted to is I'm looking for that, A plus setup on my live account and then hopping over to the prop account and trading it alongside it. And now my prop account trades obviously were less, but I didn't blow my account. I still have them. So I just need to find a good rhythm. And I feel like this is a good sign starting the new year out. I know that January was very volatile, and so far there's a week left, but I have survived it. So I encourage you to follow me if you're interested in this journey. It's been a fun one, and I will see you in the next video.